Understanding buzzing sound, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English phrases, focusing on the term buzzing sound. This phrase is quite common in English, and understanding it can really help you in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Buzzing sound refers to a noise that is similar to the sound made by bees or other insects. It's a continuous, low-pitched sound, often associated with something electronic or mechanical in nature. For example, the humming of a refrigerator or the noise of an electric fan can be described as a buzzing sound. To better understand buzzing sound, let's look at some examples. I hear a buzzing sound coming from the computer. Maybe it's overheating. The room was quiet except for the buzzing sound of the old fluorescent lights. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing its versatility in the English language. When using buzzing sound, remember that it's typically used for continuous, monotonous sounds. It's not used for loud, abrupt noises like a crash or a bang. Also, it's important not to confuse it with buzzing, used in the context of people talking or a place being busy. To help you remember, think of a bee buzzing around flowers. This natural example perfectly captures the essence of a buzzing sound. Additionally, listening to sound clips of buzzing noises can also reinforce your understanding. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, buzzing sound, better. It's a small but interesting part of the English language that you might hear in various situations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.